Hello, welcome back to the third lesson of JavaScript. Till now, we learn how we can log to the console, how we can display it together with the console log command, result of our coding, how we can make the comments, double backslash, it is used to make the comments in a code. We already know what they are the data types in a JavaScript, like strings, number, booleans, symbols, object. Numbers are any number without quotes. Strings, when we declare the strings, we have to use the quotes. Arithmetic operators, they are plus, minus, multiply, divided, and percent. Objects, including the data types, can have methods which perform the actions, which was an example hello, the string hello, dot to uppercase, that was our method, and access to the properties of the methods, they are using the dot operators. And today we move on with our journey to learning JavaScript. As I said, we learned some details regarding the data type. When we don't know exactly what that means, what type of data type it used, we can use it the typeof operators, which checks the values and returns back exactly what it is, a string or a data type. Let's say variable unknown one, which is equal, it is the string hello semicolon with console log use the operator typeof unknown one, close the parenthesis, semicolon, and we will have displayed exactly what it is, that variable. In our case, it is a string. If we go further, let's say unknown pay, and we'll proceed 20, use again console log to find out what type the variable is, our 20, what we added before, close the parenthesis, semicolon, and we find out it is a number. And also on, we will declare using the const. It is also a way to declare some kind of variables, not only the var. Unknown for us in that moment is, let's say, false, and we want to find out what type of variable it is. Console log unknown 3. I made a mistake over here. I didn't call typeof, find out what type of variable it is, and it is the boolean. So, in short review of this lesson, we find out how to use the variables. We learn the variables hold the reusable data in a program. Variables are stored in memory. The keywords for the variables, they are var, let, and const. Together with operator plus, we can concatenate the strings. We find out this way to make it in previous lesson, and also with typeof keywords, we return the data type, even it is a string, a number. Typeof is important because we find data type in the resulting value when you concatenate variables which contain two data type. Thank you for watching. See you next time.